Hello friends, I hope that you are doing amazing today. I have a haul question mark. PandaHall. It's a PandaHall haul. PandaHall reached out to me and asked if I would like to check out some of their stuff on their site. I know that they have been around for quite a long time. Before I said yes, I did some research. I had heard a little bit about their store, or their online website and stuff, and I had thought that it was all jewelry findings and beads and stuff like that. So before I said yes, I did some research and looked on YouTube, and I had seen YouTube videos from 5-6 years ago, I think. So then I, went on their website and just kind of, because I'm not really a jewelry person, and that's, again, all I thought that they had. But it turns out they actually sell molds, silicone molds for resin making. So I said, sure, I'll give it a try. As always, this isn't a sponsored post, obviously, because I haven't tried their stuff yet. I am a little bit questionable on some things, which I will get into, but we'll give it a try. We'll see, how we feel about it. As always, with me, my truth and opinion is you're not going to buy a fake review from me. You're just not. So, let's see what they sent. They allowed me to pick out a couple of things, and so this is what I picked out. I will say they did not have a very large offering of silicone molds and resin stuff that I saw. But, so this is what they sent. So they sent this kit and this. So let's dig into this one because I'm much less questionable on this set than I am on this. So we will move that aside. And I picked these out, number one, because I don't have any of these and I really have been wanting to try them. Sorry about the bag crinkling. So it came with these pyramid molds, and they are, this is, whoops, I think, is this the, yeah, this is, I guess, a little bit smaller than this one. So, or maybe they're about the same. I don't know. So this one is more of a triangle pyramid mold. Well, I mean, yeah. And then this one is a square. Now, this mold feels super solid. I mean, you can see how thick these walls are for it in comparison to how thin these walls are. But I will say, one of the reasons that I have not invested in a large pyramid mold is because I know that a lot of different molds, how do I say this? Like, people have issues with them, like bowing and bending and, stuff like that. So I don't want to invest in something cheap for a very large, because the pyramid molds are typically, quite big. But I do like the size of these. I think they are very, very cute. They would make cute little, pieces on like a tier tray or whatever. So came with these two, and then also this little itty bitty baby one. It just tickles my my guts. It's so adorable. So it came with that, and then also it came with a bunch of stuff. Came with that. It came with 2 measuring cups. Oh, it also came with a cone mold. Whoops, sorry. Also a cone, which is really cool. It also came with 2 measuring cups, so you've got like a plastic one. This goes up to 60 milliliters or 2 ounces. And then a silicone one. This goes up to 100 milliliters. So it's comparable with the ones that I currently have, which is nice. So you can always use more mixing cups. And this feels like the same plastic that these little cups that I use all the time are. So this seems like it'd be pretty easy to clean out. Silicone cups, always easy to clean out. So we got those, and then it came with, for some reason it came with jewelry wire. I don't know what gauge this is. Yeah, I just don't know, but it came with that. And it also came with some of the finger rubbers, finger condoms I call them. I don't know what else you would call them, like little glove fingertip things, but I wear full gloves, so those, I don't know what I'm going to do with those. And then also these little clear mixing stir sticks or whatever. Which is nice because these also could be, you know, cleaned off and reused and stuff. So these molds right here will be an upcoming video. I'm very excited about these. And then I believe this was the same. Okay, let me strike that. I don't know which one this came with. Editing Megan will put it. Yeah, we'll put it right there. Which kit it came with. So one of these kits came with this. So you get a pair of cheap tweezers and some gold and silver foils and some very, very cute glitters that are flower shaped in different colors. So more things to put in. So I'll be using those in the molds. Okay, so let's get into the questionable stuff here. And well, you'll see why I'm questioning it. I also ordered this set. So these are supposed to be, let me move these out of the way. These are supposed to be hair, not picks. What is the word? It's a hair stick, I think. Like, you know, sometimes women will put their hair up in a bun with using pencils and stuff. So this is essentially the same thing, and it came with a ton of them, and I just loved all of the different shapes that these had. So, and then some of them are wrapped up in plastic. So what I might do is, let me unwrap all of these, because this is like that really loud plastic. Let me unwrap these, and then we'll talk about these. Okay. Okay, so yeah, these are all of the different molds for hair picks and stuff, and I'm sure you can kind of see, maybe you can't. Actually, let me bring my phone in. I'm going to do like a close-up video of what I'm seeing with at least one of the molds. Yeah, so I'll insert that footage here, but you can see that the mold is a little warped, so it's not sitting flat. And which kind of makes me sad, but I was worried about that from some of these other ones. So there's 2 different styles here, 2 different sets, I would say. So this is like your typical hard silicone, you know, keeps its shape, although, you know, this one is clearly warped a bit. But then these are like that floppy jelly. If you are old like I am and you remember those little jelly shoes that we used to wear in the 80s and 90s, that's this kind of material. So I was actually worried about this happening to a lot of them, but now that I'm feeling them and took them out of the package, these are the ones that were wrapped. Clearly for a reason, because everything sticks to them, right? I was worried that these were also warped a little bit, but I am happy to say they are not. So I'm not as worried as I initially was when I was looking at these in the package. I am actually really super excited to try these molds out. I think they are very, very cute. And I'm just noticing some extra silicone. Okay, there we go. Got it out. So yeah, so these are the two sets that I picked for trying out the PandaHall stuff. Again, I'm a little bit worried about that, but I think if I do like a double-sided tape under this, I can just stick that down and it won't be a problem. Other than that, I'm really excited to try this stuff, you guys. I think that it is, I mean, it's not perfect. I mean, you can clearly see it's not perfect. But, you know, it is what it is. And we're going to give it a try. They, you know, their website is chock full of crafting stuff, and not even just, like I said, not even just jewelry and beads and findings and stuff like that, but I also found like wood rounds and, you know, other things that you could alter with resin or any kind of crafting material that you want to use. So the next two videos will be me using these, and I'm really excited to try them out. I haven't really seen a lot of these hair pick things around, so hopefully, you know, you guys enjoy these next two videos. The first one will, of course, be the pyramid, because I'm so excited to try those. And then after that will be the hair picks. So stick around for that. And yeah, if you enjoy watching hauls, let me know. Leave a thumbs up. And it really does help me out, helps my channel to grow and reach other wonderful crafty people. And if you're looking forward to, you know, seeing what I do with these things and you're not yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Just click that red button down below. It is free, of course. And then click the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you guys so very much for watching today's video. I really do hope that you're looking forward to it. The rest to me making this stuff. Okay, words are hard. Alright, Megan, get on with it. Alright, thank you guys again so much for watching. And I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.